Welcome to an in-depth look at what an AI business analyst actually does. This is real work inside AI products and platforms. If you are a student, a business analyst, or a professional learning AI, understanding this role is crucial to navigating the modern tech landscape. The AI Business Analyst, or AIBA, is a specialized role focused on integrating AI capabilities into business processes. Unlike traditional business analysis, which often focuses on process optimization and strategy, the AIBA works directly with complex, dynamic AI systems. That's why AIBAs and PMs need to think differently. Features into behaviors, requirements into hypotheses, delivery into learning loops. Their domain is the AI product and the AI platform, where models, data, and workflows connect to deliver value. The first phase of the AIBA's work is the precise definition and scoping of the AI solution. They start not with technology, but with the desired business outcomes, ensuring every AI project has a clear, measurable goal. This involves defining the specific AI use cases, setting scope, and assessing the tangible value they will bring to the organization. A critical step is understanding the data, where it comes from, what its quality is, and identifying any gaps needed to train and run the AI system. Next, the AIBA designs the core AI workflow, mapping the entire process, from data ingestion to final action. This animated pipeline shows the flow. Data input leads to the model, which generates an output, leading to a business decision or action. They define the precise boundaries of the AI model's influence and the limits of automated decision-making to maintain control and safety. The AIBA is responsible for identifying and planning for AI risks, such as model bias, unpredictable hallucinations, or incorrect outputs that can harm the business or user. This includes strategically placing human-in-the-loop steps into the workflow, ensuring human oversight where risk is highest. The final stage involves defining success and leveraging the AI platform for organizational efficiency. They define clear AI acceptance criteria and success metrics, translating business value into quantifiable technical targets. Working on AI platforms allows for the reuse of AI components and models across various business teams, maximizing investment. Ultimately, the AIBA acts as the crucial translator, connecting the needs of the business with the technical capabilities of engineering and data science. The work doesn't end at deployment. Continuous monitoring is essential for performance and reliability. They define and monitor performance dashboards, establishing feedback loops for continuous model and system improvement in production. Zooming out, the core understanding is this: AI products are systems, complex, interconnected systems, not just isolated models. This is the true scope of work for a modern AI business analyst: precise, systemic, and value-driven. If you found this helpful, follow the AI Product Guide for more learning and real-world AI insights.